Hey, what's going on? It's Jonnie Grooms, and today I'm going to be reviewing a product that I picked up for the purposes of the review. If you are in the bearded community and you watch some bearded reviews on other channels, you know a company named Brio. Brio's got a really awesome beard trimmer that a lot of my fellow reviewers have. I personally don't have a Brio beard trimmer, but when I went onto the website to go check it out, I did notice they had another item there that I got really interested in. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Brio Smart Clean Toothbrush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the camera down, do this unboxing on camera, show everything in detail, and I will bring you back up for my final thoughts. So let's flip it. Okay, so this is the box for the Brio Smart Clean Premium Sonic Toothbrush. Here you go on the sides. We got some information there. Talking about some micro bubble action, mouth massage, and some more information right here. And on the back of the box, you got your holographic tape here to let you know that this has not been opened or tampered with. And the same thing on the bottom. You got a little description of the product itself. You can take a freeze frame of that and read that at your leisure. Be a well-being. Brio. Inside the box comes one Brio Smart Clean brush handle, one charging base, 3 brush heads, 1 user manual. Let's get this thing open and take a look. Okay, you got a nice little pull tab right here, so let's pull it out. And nothing in the box. Very nice sturdy box. I like this. This comes right out. So in the box you got your information pamphlet here. Lets you know what everything is and how things work. Here is your 3 brush heads right here. Got the Smart Clean, the Pro Clean, and the X Clean. Here's the Brio Smart Clean handle right here. You can cycle through all the modes, and it plays little tones for you. So ready? That's clean, white, polish, massage, sensitive, and that's it. There's the bottom. Some cardboard here. We got a receive 10% off your next order code, and a little card describing the different heads. So Smart Clean is on the top. You can take a freeze frame of that and you can read them at your leisure to see which one's which. And here is your charging base. Nothing else left in the box. We'll put that to the side. Here's your charging base. It'll go on like so. And let's put a head on there. I want to go with the X. The extra clean, the X Clean. That seems rather nice. Nice sturdy material. Bristles feel nice and soft. There's the bottom of that. Take it off the base. And snaps in like so. Snaps in and pulls out just as easy. Looks like that. Turn it on. That's clean. White. Ooh, look at that. Polish. Massage. And sensitive. So when you get the Brio, the green light here lets you know that it's fully charged. These things on the side here, they are not buttons or anything like that. They're just to hold it, to grip the Brio while you're brushing your teeth. So this is the Brio Smart Clean. Let's bring it back on top for my final thoughts. All right, so we're back on top with the Brio Smart Clean Toothbrush. And if I'm gonna do the review, I gotta use the product, right? So, got some toothpaste on the toothbrush. And let's just give this one a whirl, okay? Okay. That was a very enjoyable experience. Got my mouth all nice and tingly. All right, so that was the first mode. Let's see, that was clean mode. Let's try the whitening mode, which was when the bristles went all really crazy. So once, twice, 3 times late. No, hold on. Wow. Wow. Man, when that white mode hits the roof of your mouth, that is a sensation right there. I'm going to go into let's try the polish mode next. So I'm going to try the massage mode now. Okay, the massage mode was very pleasant. My gums feel like there's a lot of tension lifted off of them. No, I'm just kidding. I like it. I like it a lot. The last thing I have to try is the sensitive mode. So let's go with that. Ooh. I probably have the cleanest teeth in all of YouTube right now. So, do I recommend this toothbrush? 100% yes. I really recommend this toothbrush. The price that I picked it up for, believe it runs for like 68 bucks, 70 bucks. But you're getting a pack of 3 heads on there. So this is gonna last you a very long time before you have to buy any replacement heads. And I believe the replacement heads are fairly cheap. I didn't check the price out, but you can go onto the Brio website. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for it, where you can check it out. So when using the Brio Smart Clean, you can turn the toothbrush on. It has a 2-minute cycle time. So you should be brushing your teeth. I'm assuming you should be brushing your teeth for 2 minutes. So this will turn off in 2 minutes when you're done. Now, if you're in a certain section of your mouth, if you stay on that one section for too long, over 30 seconds, it will have a little reminder to move on to the next section, which turn off, kind of pause, and when you move the Brio around to the other side of your mouth, it will resume brushing. So it really is a smart toothbrush. It can sense where you are if you're there for too long, and will give you a reminder to move your toothbrush to a different part of your mouth. The fact that this pauses and reminds you to switch to another part of your mouth is pretty impressive. So my mouth feels so clean. I said I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the Brio website where you can pick up a toothbrush for yourself. Remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.